Hey, take a picture of her up there.
Unbelievable.
You need to go inside and let the fence take it. Hey, you can almost touch the power line.
That's unbelievable.
She's taller than the house.
That's crazy.
She's taller than the house.
You fall through. I think I fall through because I weigh like double your weight. You can stand on there. That's awesome. And your little cracks.
I can slide out.
Remember when we made a snow hill out here when we were like 10?
Yeah. We're like, get water and pour ice on it.
Yes.
Where's that camera, Lynette?
Oh, in my pocket.
Oh.